Hi there. Are you looking for natural ways to boost your health and well-being? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected from our natural state of balance. Welcome to Zulu Meta Clinic, where we specialize in personalized herbal treatments designed to nourish your nervous system, blood, and brain. Our clinic is a sanctuary where ancient wisdom meets modern science. At Zulu Meta Clinic, we understand the struggles of dealing with nervous system disorders like anxiety, depression, and neuropathy. These conditions can be debilitating, affecting every aspect of your life. That's why we've harnessed the power of nature to help you find relief. Our treatments are rooted in the belief that nature holds the key to true healing. Our expert practitioners craft individualized treatments using herbs like ashwagandha for stress relief, which has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and mental clarity. St. John's wort for mood enhancement, known for its ability to uplift the spirit and combat feelings of sadness. And ginkgo biloba for memory support, which helps improve cognitive function and mental sharpness. Don't just take our word for it, listen to our patients. Their stories of transformation and healing are a testament to the effectiveness of our treatments. Many have experienced significant improvements in their conditions and are now living happier, healthier lives. They have found a new lease on life through our holistic approach. One patient shared how ashwagandha helped them manage anxiety, allowing them to feel more at peace and in control, while another praised St. John's wort for lifting their spirits. But that's not all. Our treatments extend beyond the nervous system. We also address blood system disorders such as anemia and hypertension. These conditions can be managed effectively with the right herbal remedies. Our natural remedies promote overall wellness with herbs like nettle leaf for iron deficiency, which helps boost energy levels and combat fatigue. Beetroot to improve blood circulation, ensuring that your body receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function optimally. And hawthorn for heart health, which supports cardiovascular function and helps maintain a healthy heart. Imagine feeling more energetic and balanced, thanks to the power of plants. Our treatments are designed to restore harmony to your body and mind. Our holistic approach doesn't stop there. We believe in treating the whole person, not just the symptoms. We also provide herbal solutions for brain disorders including Alzheimer's disease, ADHD, and migraines. These conditions require specialized care and attention. Herbs like ginseng for cognitive function, which enhances mental performance and reduces fatigue. Bacopa monnieri for memory enhancement, known for its ability to improve learning and memory retention, and feverfew for migraine relief are just some of the natural tools we use to support your brain health. These herbs have been used for generations to provide relief and improve quality of life. Picture yourself walking into our serene clinic, greeted by the calming atmosphere and the expertise of our dedicated practitioners. Every detail is designed to make you feel at ease. They're here to guide you on your healing journey, ensuring that every treatment is tailored specifically to your needs. Your health and well-being are our top priorities. Our mission at Zulu Meta Clinic is to restore balance and vitality to your life through the wisdom of nature. We believe that true health comes from a harmonious relationship with the natural world. By combining traditional herbal medicine with modern understanding, we offer a holistic approach that addresses the root causes of illness, not just the symptoms. This integrative method ensures comprehensive care. So, if you're ready to transform your health and experience the benefits of personalized herbal treatments, come visit Zulu Meta Clinic. Take the first step towards a healthier, more balanced life. Let the power of nature, personalized for you, pave the path to your wellness. Thank you for watching. We look forward to being a part of your healing journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about the incredible healing power of herbal medicine. Your support helps us reach more people in need of natural healing. Until next time, take care and stay healthy. Remember, nature has the power to heal, and we're here to help you harness it.